morning. My name is Dirk Barnes from Air Support Tactical Security. Today I want to talk briefly about what we are doing in terms of expansion of our services. A lot of people would have seen recently we're posting a lot of things about drones because it's an exciting time for here at Air Support Tactical. Now, why drones? To start with, we have been using drones since about 2014, 2015, but we have made even more investment to include aircraft that we're deploying across Trinidad and Tobago. Yes, the two islands. Not only are we going to be covering land-based systems or land-based stolen vehicles, but we're also going to be covering the theft of marine craft as well. So all of these things are why the drone technology are going to assist us in terms of improving our services. Now, when I say improve, one of the things that car thieves employ is a tactic where they will steal the vehicle, and within 20 to 30 minutes, the vehicle is parked up somewhere and they're trying to remove the GPS tracking device. So the window of opportunity from the time we make that call to the time we recover that vehicle has always been at a 30-minute standard, which we have upheld throughout the years. We are taking it one step further. We are decreasing that time from 30 minutes average recovery time to 10 minutes average recovery time. And using the drone technology, we're able to provide situational awareness, not just to our teams that are going to be arriving on the location, but also to the Trans-Tobago Police Service. Now, key things to note about these drones is that it provides a lot more features than what you would normally buy as a drone off the shelf. Our drones are able to provide thermal imagery, which means in the night, in the dark, we can see exactly what is happening, where the car thieves may hide if they decide to hide in the bush, or if a vehicle has been parked up, or even better yet, if there was an escort vehicle to the theft, we could identify that vehicle among others because of the heat signatures. With the telephoto zoom and digital zoom that comes with these new drones, we are now able to be a half-mile away where you can't even hear the aircraft in the air and zoom in, read license plates, see faces, even take forensic information, photographs and videos. So these are some of the advancements that we have continued to make the investment in towards safeguarding you, our customer. I'm excited to let you know as well that all of this is also going to be put onto the home security front. Already, we are in the process of coming out our new app, our new panic buttons, making sure that the drones are linked to it, and this technology is all tied into your vehicle technology as well, the vehicle GPS. So by pressing one button, it is going to bring a response to you, whether it's a drone response or a manned response, or even both, coming to your home in case of a home invasion. All of this is going to be offered to you, our customers, at a very low price. You can look out for that on our website. So stay tuned. And while you're on our YouTube page, please like, subscribe, even share our page so that others could get the good news. If you have a good one, be safe.